Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our maintenance tutorial for the Asus N7400P. Today, we will take you through each step to ensure your laptop stays in optimal condition. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, thermal paste, and a microfiber cloth. Make sure to work in a clean, static-free environment. Now, let's start by removing the back cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the back panel. There are typically 10 screws, keep them organized to avoid confusion later. Once you've removed the screws, gently pry the back cover off using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the clips. Next, we'll clean the internal components. Use the can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heatsinks. This step is crucial for maintaining optimal airflow and preventing overheating. Remember, if you don't have the tools or prefer not to do this yourself, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the dust is cleared, inspect the thermal paste on your CPU and GPU. If the paste looks dry or cracked, it's time to replace it. Carefully clean off the old thermal paste using a microfiber cloth and some isopropyl alcohol. Then, apply a small amount of new thermal paste evenly across the CPU and GPU surfaces. Let's move on to the RAM. If you plan to upgrade or clean the RAM, locate it near the CPU. Gently release the clips on either side of the RAM module to lift it out. Clean the RAM slots with compressed air as well. If you need assistance with this, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your laptop serviced. Now, reinsert the RAM securely and ensure it clicks into place. Next, let's check the hard drive. If you are using an SSD, ensure it is seated properly. For HDDs, make sure there are no unusual noises coming from the drive, as this can indicate a problem. After checking all components, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back cover back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the casing. Once everything is back in place, power on your laptop and listen for any unusual sounds. If you encounter problems or just want peace of mind, don't forget that we provide a quote before any repair service, ensuring transparency in our pricing. Finally, maintain regular cleaning of your Asus N7400P every few months to keep it running efficiently. This includes external cleaning of the keyboard and screen, as well as periodic internal maintenance as we discussed today. By following these steps, you can extend the lifespan of your laptop and ensure optimal performance. That concludes our maintenance guide for the Asus N7400P. Remember, whether you choose to do it yourself or seek our services, your laptop deserves the best care. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.